Okay, nagbabalik ulit kami. This time, Mommy is making a spring roll.
Tagalog, lumpiang Shanghai.
Tagalog lumpiang Shanghai.
With pork inside, ground pork. Ano pa? Yan lang.
Ground pork and
Carrots. Then, prawns, di ba prawns?
walang prawns sa
Shrimp.
Shrimp.
Di ba? Ano pa?
Green onion. Green onion.
Green onion.
Chestnut.
Chestnut.
See, may pandikit pa si mother talaga.
Eh,
Oh,
saan?
my gosh! Perfect size!
Di ba?
Yan. Expertise.
The expert. Kaya parating si mother ang nagbabalot kasi uniform ang size.
You will put paste so that it will not scattered. Diba? Tay, Englishizing ko, diba?
So it won't, it won't go away, the palaman. On the batika.
Nandidinig ka ata doon, Tay.
So the palaman, it will scatter in the oil.
Ka na nga mag-English, mag-Tagalog ka na. You see? 2. Already. I made already 2.
Oh, hoy!
Same sizes, Ri. See?
Same size.
Diba?
Same. See? Uniform.
Oh, sige na, magbaklas ka.
Perfect. See? Okay. I will backlash the
The wrapper.
So, my mommy will not
Ano?
Get bored.
get bored. Tama na to. Kalokohan ito eh.